Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm mrbobvin or Malika, and in today's video I'm going to be freehanding a knit skirt. I've never done knitted a skirt in my entire life. I've crocheted a skirt, but it was in panels, and it's crochet. Yeah, for the Clueless recreation one.
Oh, yeah.
And I was actually doing it in, was it Vegas?
Mm-hmm.
When we were at that hotel with the artichoke stuff.
Bro, that's only first, oh my god.
Yeah, so long ago. Yeah, but that's crochet, so it's totally different from knitting anyway. And I'm also not even going to be knitting it in panels. I'm going to be knitting it in a round, and I actually already started. I took my measurements from my top, and that's how I got the width of my ribbing, I guess you can say. So for my top, I cast it on like 38. And I know I like my skirts to start like here, so I know it's gonna be high-waisted. So if this top fits around my waist with 38, I know that if I'm doing it in a round, I need 38 plus 38. So that's how I based my, how many stitches I casted on with. I think that makes sense. So yeah, it's really thanks to my top that I made, which I didn't even plan to make, but I ended up making because I was like, I need to make a top with this cardigan. Anyway, so that's how I got my stitches, but I actually casted on 62 instead of 76 because I know ribbing is super stretchy, and I want it to be as stretchy and cinched as possible because it stretches. And anyway, it'll work out, hopefully. But I'll show you guys how far I got into it, if I can find it. So this is how far I got into it. It literally looks like a big collar, so hopefully it actually fits. I don't know, I'm not starting over or anything, so I'm just going with it. And I did 4 rows of ribbing, and now I'm starting on a body, so I'm literally just gonna knit and stockinette until I want to stop, and then I will actually not bind off regularly. Well, I will, but I'm gonna do like 3 more rows of ribbing after that, so the bottom is stretchy too, so it's not like stiff with a regular bind off without ribbing. Because if I do a regular bind off, I don't think I'll be able to pull it over my legs, because regular bind off it's like
A little stuck in that thing.
So that's my plan. Hopefully it works out. Well, this is literally it. I mean, but look, you know, it'll work. It has to work. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna be working on in this video, obviously. And obviously I'll show you guys how it turns out in the end, and I will be matching. And I will show you guys how it looks with the cardigan and top that I knitted. I'm a knitter.
I need that, bro. That looks so good.
Like this?
Send me what you did. I'll see him today.
Yeah. Anyway, see ya. Let's get it. Okay guys, today is gonna be a good day. I'm going to finish my skirt. I was gonna make it long, but then I realized that I want to start on my Wednesday Addams knit sweater. So I'm going to get the skirt done for sure, because I'm already this far into it, which is kind of far. So I'm going to make it like maybe like 20 rows longer, and then I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and then show you guys how it looks with the cardigan and the top, and then that'll be it. I'm also not going to put a stripe in it, because what if I want to wear it with like a black top and like black boots, you know? I don't want to have like a random green stripe in it. I mean, black goes with everything, but I just want it solid, so when I want to wear it with other outfits, it just blends right in with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's get this thing started. I'm going to eat my cereal and then knit. So let's go. Okay guys, so I reached my desired length. It looks like this, and then it looks like this on me. So now I'm going to do like 2 rows of ribbing just so the bottom is stretchy, because I don't want to do regular bind off because that's kind of stiff and not stretchy. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ow, so let's get it. Okay guys, knit skirt is done, and this is how it looks. So this is my first knit skirt ever, and I literally had no idea how many to cast on. I was just honestly just doing whatever, and this is how it turned out. Are you serious? Are you serious? Now, I know for the next time I won't cast on this mini because it is kind of loose at the waist part. But I mean, it holds up without me holding it, but I would want it, oh, you guys can't see me. But I would want it a little tighter just to make it more comfortable for me if I want to wear it out. I don't have to worry about like it just, I mean, I don't know. I don't think it will slip down. Either way, it turned out so good. And this is the top I made, you know, with the cardigan and all. Well, I made the skirt to match this top and this cardigan. So this is how the set looks together. I did want to make it maxi, but I did not have enough time to make it maxi. But I do know next time I will make a maxi skirt because this mini is already cute. Oh, hello. This mini is already cute. Imagine it long. OMG. But anyway, look at this. So perfect. Like it's so perfect. This is like the perfect set. And I can't believe I made this. I don't know, sometimes I'm still astonished that I can make clothes out of yarn, which is insane. Anyway, I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, are you kidding me? So yeah, that's it, and that's all I have for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.